In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Claude Code and VS Code. By the end, you'll have your Claude Code app and Visual Studio Code working together so you can move smoothly between chatting with Claude and editing files in your editor. Start by opening the Claude Code app and signing in to your account. This ensures the app can create sessions and manage your workspace folders. Once you're in, leave the app open. We'll come back to it shortly. Next, open your VS Code application. In VS Code, install the Claude Code extension so the editor can talk to your Claude sessions. Open the extensions view, search for Claude Code, and install it. If VS Code asks to reload, go ahead. That lets the extension finish setting up. After it's installed, look for the Claude Code panel or terminal provided by the extension. Open that so you're ready to authenticate from inside VS Code as well. In the Claude terminal, type Claude, press enter, and then type login. This will trigger your default browser to open and ask you to authorize the login session. Approve the prompt so the extension can connect to your Claude account. When authorization completes, return to VS Code and make sure the Claude terminal shows that you're signed in. Now switch back to the Claude Code app and open your code. When you start a session in the Claude app, you'll be prompted to open a folder that represents your project. Choose the folder you want to work in. At the bottom of the chat, you'll see the location of that folder, which confirms the session is attached to the correct workspace. Just below the microphone icon, you'll notice a VS Code icon. Click that, then select VS Code. This action tells the Claude app to hand off the selected folder to your editor. Your system will automatically launch VS Code and open that same folder, linking the Claude session with your workspace. If VS Code asks you to trust the folder, confirm it so the extension can function properly. From here, the two are connected. The folder you selected in the Claude app is the one you're editing in VS Code, and your authenticated session lets the extension assist with your code as you work. If anything doesn't open automatically, make sure you're signed into the same account in both places. The extension is installed, and the folder is selected in the Claude app. With that, you're all set to link Claude Code and VS Code and keep your flow focused on building, not switching tools.